Hi guys, this is Neha Priyanka. Today we are going to learn about the most fundamental chapter of chemistry, that is atomic structure. But before moving towards the atomic structure, we must know what is an atom. What is an atom? This is what you are seeing, watching. This is an atom. This is a spherical, round in shape, smallest, very tiny, indivisible. You cannot divide it. And the indestructible part of an matter. So, if someone asks you what is an atom, you can easily say that atom is a spherical, smallest, indivisible and indestructible part of a matter. We can take an example of any element. Let's take an example of sodium. This is sodium. As you can see, sodium consists of spherical molecules and tiny molecules, and these small spherical molecules, tiny molecules, are atoms. So will these structure be having the exact quality like sodium? Yes, these will be having the exact quality like sodium. So we can also define atom as the smallest particle of an element, having the exact quality of that element. So now we have two meaning of atom. First one, atom is a spherical, smallest, indivisible and indestructible part of a matter. And the second definition is atom are the smallest particle of an element which are having the exact quality of that element. So let's move towards the subparticles. So subparticles of atoms are neutron, which is neutral. Okay. Next one is proton. This is positively charged. And last one is the electron, which is negatively charged. So the charge of proton is 1.6 plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the SI unit to measure the charge, and electron is having the power minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So now we know what are the charges of the subparticles. So we must learn what are the mass. So mass of neutron and mass of proton is almost same, which is 10.6 into 10.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 AMU, that is atomic mass unit, whereas the mass of electron is so less than mass of neutron and mass of proton, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 AMU. So now we know the meaning of atom, the subparticles, types, their charges and their masses. So now we will move towards the discovery of these atoms, these subparticles of atom. So proton was discovered by James Chadwick. Okay, you have to remember the name. James Chadwick had discovered neutron. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Proton was discovered by Rutherford, whereas neutron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. These subparticles are also having one more names. Neutron is not having any other name, but proton is having one more name, that is camel rays, And neutron is having one more name, that is cathode rays. So one more thing which we must know, that is the location. So location of the atom. This is an atom. This is the nucleus. And proton and neutron all live in nucleus. And electron revolves around them. These all are electrons. So this is the location of proton, neutron and electron. So today we learnt about meaning of atom, their subparticles, their mass, their discovery and their location. So this was Neha Priyanka talking something about atoms. Thank you so much.